Hey there, productive warriors. Let's get your Android device set up for productive calls. Now, just as a reminder, we only offer support to carriers in Canada and the United States at this time, and we do not support Google Fi at this time. And if you are on a smaller carrier such as Metro PCS, these carriers generally tend to require you to call in and ask to activate conditional call forwarding, which is required for productive calls to work on your device. Most of the bigger carriers in Canada and the United States already have this activated, but if for any reason during this onboarding we run into an issue such as a failure message when we are activating productive, we may need to call the carrier just to activate this feature on your service. Otherwise, you should be good to go. We're gonna open up a browser on your Android device such as Chrome or Firefox, and we're gonna type in the URL productive.app. Right, and here you can click any of the calls to action that'll let you start a free trial or download now. All right, and when you click download now, you'll see a pop-up to either download and install yourself, or you could even request a live session with us to do the onboarding if you need a little more assistance. All right, if you want to download it directly from the Android Google Play Store, you can type in productive.app/Android. That'll take you there. You can download the app. Okay, use the package installer. We're going to click install, and we're going to click open. All right, so here we want to sign up and create an account. And if you have an access code, you can enter it here from one of our partner or affiliate programs. One of the common ones we enter on the website or provide you is Be Productive. Otherwise, if you don't have an access code, you can just click next. All right, so here we're going to create an account. I'm going to put my first name, Joseph, last name, Smith. I have many last names. All right, and then we're also going to enter company name. All right. And I'm going to enter in my email address and a password. Again, this is an email address and password for your productive account. This is not, the password of your email account. This is going to be your productive password. We're going to click continue. Okay. Now we're going to enter in our phone number. Now, if you do have two SIM cards here, you're going to want to enter the primary phone number. You can actually go later and forward your second phone number to your primary phone number, and you will actually have productive features on both lines. All right, you're going to receive a text message. All right, and it's going to automatically enter in the code into the bar there. And if not, you just go to your text messages, copy the code, and paste. Again, as we see in the video here, if you have any questions, you can always click the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen for support. Let's click Get Started. Okay. All right, so here we're going to enable caller ID. We're going to set it to Productive Call Assistant, and we're going to enable contacts. Now, this allows us to identify the contacts in your phone versus unknown callers versus your CRM contacts. We're going to click Continue. Okay. And now we're going to tap and call the forwarding codes below. There may be one, there may be several, but just tap, and you're going to let this code go. We're looking for a successful notification. If you do see a failure notification, please click the support icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. All right, so I got a succeeded message. I'm going to click continue. Right, productive call logs integration. We're going to turn this on and allow. Now we're going to see the productive call integration as the default phone app. We're going to turn that on as well. Okay, so this will obviously utilize Productive as your default dialing. Successful, and click OK. Okay. Overlay permissions is turned on. And if you do have a CRM, you can connect it here. For example, we do have a CRM we have a partnership with called Wise Agent. So if I just want to connect my CRM, I'm going to click Connect underneath that logo. Okay, and now I can enter in my credentials. Okay, these are the credentials for your CRM. This is not your productive, email and password. These are the credentials for this CRM in particular. So I'll enter in my information here. Okay. And and you can see it is now connected. I will click continue. Again, you could always set up your CRM later on in the settings of Productive. And now we are all set up for Productive Calls. I have the option here to do a test call, which would basically be an automated version of yours truly, Joseph, giving you a call and walking you through some of the note-taking features. That's it. Thank you for doing this onboarding with us. And again, if you have any questions, just click chat for support in the settings section of your Productive app. Take care and be productive.